So, naintindihan ni Adan, no? Na God gave him, Eve, ang kanyang asawa. They are flesh of my flesh. Ibig sabihin, the way a man treats his wife will be the same way he'll be treating himself. So pag bless yung asawa niya, when a man blesses his wife, he will also be blessed. So pag kinurse yung asawa niya, curse din siya. Kasi sabi ng Panginoon sa salita niya eh. He who loves his wife loves himself. For no one hated his own flesh. Galit ka ba sa sarili mo? Of course not. Diba? You want to be blessed. So, kung lalaki ka, definitely, you want your life to be blessed. Bless your wife. Bless your wife. Kaya nga, diba? Totoo yung kasabihan. Happy wife? Hindi siya tumitingin. Happy wife